This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and gathering account details. This prevents accidental lockouts or unauthorized access. Once done, make sure the phone is powered, charged, and unlocked to your primary account. Have your carrier username, password, and any account PIN ready because you'll need them to request a PUK or reset protections. Don't proceed if the SIM isn't yours. Carriers will refuse. Make sure you can receive calls or email, since verification codes may arrive during the process. Next, you inspect the phone's SIM or security settings to see if a PIN is enabled and whether the device reports SIM status. If a SIM PIN is active, do not guess the code because multiple wrong attempts block the SIM. Instead, log into your carrier's app or website and request the PUK. That code is issued after identity verification. Make sure you follow on-screen authentication steps. Once you have the PUK, you'll be able to reset the PIN safely without risking permanent blockage. Finally, when prompted by the phone, enter the PUK from your carrier and then choose a new SIM PIN. Follow prompts carefully and use clear digits to avoid mistakes. Once the new PIN is set, test by restarting the device or toggling airplane mode to confirm the SIM unlocks correctly. If the PUK is entered incorrectly too many times, the SIM can become permanently blocked, so stop and contact your carrier immediately. If anything goes wrong, call support with your account ID and a photo ID ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.